Ah! Tommy.
Get the fuck out of here. Do you have any peace so I can leave? Look at me like that, like you're trying to eat something off me.
Eita, easy.
MVP Kim Chick, Pinky, Batwoman. What up, Batwoman? Brianna. Hey, Miles, Nancy, and Bill.
Ты подъебываешь меня, нет такого вайба?
Over there looking at me like
Не,
a
ну было не
fucking...
прям чисто, но все равно чуть по чуть
Over there looking
следил.
at me like a sausage sandwich.
Ну
I
как?
gotta get out of here.
Блядь.
Huh?
Перестань, блядь, использовать этот смайлик, скобочку. Sorry, my people who speak Russian.
No, I gotta get out of here.
You know, Tommy, you, what did you think about people who sent message and used, you know, this one, emojis? Like, I'll show you.
This better not be about a dick.
The what? This one. This one. Like, for example.
Without the eyes?
Yeah.
I knew it was gonna be about a dick. I knew you had to make it about it. Why would they do that?
Like that. What did you think?
Why? Why wouldn't it be? What does it mean?
It means like smile.
Why don't they put the eyes?
Like I think it's sarcasm smile. Like you. No, bro. Nobody used this eyes. Like who used the eyes? This guy's older, 50 years old, I think.
Yeah. It's a new form of typing. It's shortened.
It's not new form, bro. It's a so old form.
No, they just would. No, it is. It's new.
No, new. You know, if you use the some emojis, it's very old. It's like show you.
It's abbreviation for smile.
Yeah. Where do you find the water? Stop. Where do you get the water?
Look in water store. Outside of the grocery store, they got those water things where I fill up the gallons.
What about rain water?
No, fuck the rainwater. I get the drinking water for 50 cents a gallon.
No, bro. Steve, bro, save your money. Go to outside, put some, I don't know, place, like, get the water, tent, you need a tent, get the rainwater, and just drink this. It's cheap water.
I gotta filter it. I gotta store it. You know. Why don't you go collect rainwater outside your house?
Because I have a bottle of water.
Fucking bottle of water too.
Look at that. I can drink all this one. Economic.
That's what's
Wow.
up. You can't do that, can you?
I can do this. Yeah. No, I can, but I don't wanna because I will need to clean my floor after. Okay, I think it's just your one water wall in your life. You didn't see another water wall. It's okay. For a second.
What you say? What you want?
Go. You can.
What you want? Huh?
Our time. Okay, you right now going to shower. You
I
clean.
just did.
You smell better, yeah.
Maybe.
We in shower right now together. I never think I will be in shower with Stan. I think it's super.
Huh?
You
Do
have to
it.
drop the glove last week.
Do it.
Me?
Yeah. Ah, you can't do it.
Oh yeah. Ah. Oh. Come on.
That was close.
Thank you so much.
That was close.
Ooh. Wow, it's so cool now. I feel I'm so fresh now. I got it. Tell me.
There's gotta be a feeling where Pac was. The feeling of an apocalypse happening, but nothing is possible. The feeling will prosper. The feeling is toxic. I feel like a boxing demons monster.
Marisa, use the glove. Marisa, use the glove.
Oh
Marisa, use the
shit!
glove.
Kara, big
Let's
slow
fucking go,
stuff.
Marisa, use the
I
glove.
blacked it
We
out.
need a push now. Snipe. Go. Time maker. Who had time maker? Use the time maker. Team, who had time maker? Go. Go bigger. Who had time maker? Drop time maker, team. Let's fucking go. Time maker. We need a time maker. Cree, snipe. Bigger.
Kara with the timing guns!
Wow.
Go with the happy
Thank you so much. Marisa, Cree, Lori, Martina, Gorley, Isa, Cora, thank you so much. Cree, baby, long time no see.
Kip Check, Crystal Cat,
Алиса,
Pinky,
включи
Nancy,
Егор Спринг.
Julia, Dot!
Wow. We will be talking about 1.1 million for number 2.
What?